To use online banking with CIBC, start by searching for CIBC in your web browser. Then access the CIBC website. Under the Personal option, you will need to fill out your credit card number and password, or register for an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, you will see various options, including bank accounts, credit cards, mortgages, lending, investments, and insurance. Click on Online Services, and from there, you can perform everyday banking tasks at your convenience. This includes paying bills, checking accounts, transferring funds, managing accounts, using e-transfer, and gaining financial confidence with the help of available agents. You can also register for digital banking or sign in to your account to access online services. With online and digital banking, you can easily manage your money and accounts. You can explore the introduction to CIBC online banking. Use digital banking to manage your finances and take advantage of various online services, such as global money transfer and interactive tools. Overall, online banking with CIBC provides a convenient and secure way to manage your financial affairs.